create variable in Python, it's enough to do like this: x equal 1, then print x, it is equal 1. If you put x equal, I don't know, like this, should be like this. So x, you put in that variable string values, print values, integer values, boolean values, you put whatever you want. Okay. If you want to create a command now in your code, it's enough to put like this. Okay, this is a command, this is a command. You need this in your codes, and you can put many commands. Okay, you can put, this is a second command in the same code, not problem, not problem. One of the important things that even in data engineering you will need them is casting your variables. Casting your variables. What means this? It means you have, for example, an integer value, you want to make it float, or float value, you want to make it integer, or string, you want to convert it to integer, or a timestamp value, you want to convert it to string, or from string you want to create a or string you change it to integer. So casting variables is something very important. So here x equal str3, it means that x will be like this, will be between two quotes as string. In Python, if something is between two single quotes, it means it is a string. Okay, str is string. Y, if you wanna put it int 3, it means that y will be what? 3 without string, an integer. If it is float, it means it is a decimal value. Okay, if you want to now get the type of your values, I will send this. Okay, if I want now to get the type, I want to get the type of my value, of my variables. What I do? X equal 5, y equal, I don't know, for example, John Smith. You know John Smith? Okay, so I do like this: print type of x. Give me the result. Class int. And you see Python here is taking the last thing. X here is str or no? It's str. Okay? And later we put it integer. Here x, it was a string. Then it was 5, integer, right? Python can detect automatically the types. Can automatically take the detect the type, okay? And he takes what? He takes the last state of the variable. If I have x equal is it str something, and then I put x equal int 8. If I say print x, it will print what? Print 8. You see, x here is str, then x it is 5, then it is str again, he take the last stats. Okay. Okay. I think we should go to something else more. Okay, we keep track of the rest. Class int, and it is 8. Okay. They are equal. Okay. X is John Smith. Y is John Smith. If X equal Y, print true. They are equal. What I want to say that in Python, single quotes or double quotes are in most cases same. Okay, should keep this in mind. You will need very much this when working with data. Sometimes this and this are not the same. Sometimes, not always. Okay. Also, let's do the same thing, but for case sensitive values. G and J. If X, here J, right? Quotes, if X equal Y, print true. Else, print false. It's false. Okay? They are not the same. Is it okay?